Hi, welcome to Make Money with Rod. This is the first video on this channel. I have established websites and Google sites and blog sites and things, but I've never done a YouTube channel, so I'm trying the YouTube channel now. So the idea of this channel is just to highlight how you can make money online, and I really do believe anybody can learn how to make money online. It just takes consistency and effort, and we're going to explore a few ways how we can do that. So let me just take you through what exists already. So this is the makemoneywithrod.com website. From here you can go to our Google site, you can go to our blog. There's a resources page up here that's what's making me money right now. If you brand new to affiliate marketing and you need to learn from the basics up, I would suggest this course. It's a $5 course. It does try to sell you a whole bunch of tools during that course, but you don't have to buy any of them. It just go through the course. It's by Mark Whiteley. This gentleman earns more than $1 million a year, Aussie dollars, and yeah, he's doing really well. He's been doing this for 20 years, just close on 20 years now. So he really knows what he's talking about. So you could start there. If you want some entry-level training and you don't want to pay the $5, you want to sign up for free, you can go to the MAP ecosystem. MAP will get you signed up for free. Just make sure it says Rodney Graham down the bottom here after you fill in your email. And once you fill in your email, they'll send you a password to that email that you filled in there. Just go copy that password, paste it in, and then your free account is created. And you can stay free forever there. You can stay, free members only earn 25% commission, whereas platinum members like myself earn 75% commission. But if you want to stay free forever, you're welcome to stay free forever. There's no trial period. No one's going to force you to upgrade. You'll go into an autoresponder sequence and they will market you for 90 days trying to get you to upgrade. But again, it's your choice. If you want advanced training or whatever, feel free to upgrade. Otherwise, stay free. On the blog, there's plenty of articles about email marketing, affiliate marketing, blogging, just anything and everything to do with affiliate marketing, making money online. There's email subscribers, SEO checklists, affiliate marketing on budgets, on free tools, all that sort of stuff. We're really going into detail on these things. On the Google site is the opportunities laid out a little more clearly, a little bit more detailed. Yeah, you can also sign up for our free guide, the 7-day affiliate jumpstart plan. There's a whole bunch of free stuff here. Free tools that I actually started off using, which I started with, and then I upgraded to the paid versions and things. There's traffic generation pages with all, if you want to learn about traffic, if you want to go buy traffic, if you want free traffic, all that sort of stuff. There's products pages, and each of these products then go to their own page where you can get a better explanation. Very comprehensive. So yeah, obviously don't try promote all these products. That's not the way it works. Pick one. I would say start with MAP because it's free. It gives you the training, and it's an ecosystem you're part of for life. So and then once you've got that mastered, then you can go on to Spark, you can go on to Go E1U Life. If you want to learn the AI stuff, that's the Go E1U Life. But yeah, I'll do separate videos about all these things. For now, I just wanted to say welcome, and yeah, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, if you're interested, then please subscribe, sign up. I will try to release a video at least once a week. Some will be product reviews, some will be affiliate marketing tips, tricks. I'll take some of the blog posts and turn those into videos. So yeah, this is just the start of a very exciting journey. So thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.